Thank you for joining the collective. We have a 30-minute power class. You will need some medium to heavy dumbbells and a resistance band. Let's get you warmed up. We're going to start with a lateral lunge out to the side. So you're going to drop down to one side, pull that knee to balance. So you're sinking low, pulling that knee up to the chest. Option would be to sink low, tap it center. Drop it low, tap it center. Your choice. Make this workout work for you. On your next one, hold that lateral lunge. We're going to rotate over the knee. Rotate, center. Feeling my rotation initiate from the core. Shoulders are just following where the core is leading. Last one. Nice job. Step it in. Other side. Lateral lunge to a balance. Option to tap that at the center. Dropping as low as you can get here. 2 more. On your next one, hold it down. We add that rotation. You're rotating over that knee. Nice long spine. Last one. Nice job. Step it in. We're going to go for some high knees. Hold your arms up here, and you're lifting the knees to the hands. Lift, lift. So we're working in neutral spine, which means our spine is nice and long. We're not rounding as the knee lifts. Keep it tall. Pull the knees up, up. Now we're going to add that rotation again. Rotate, rotate. So you're rotating over the knee. Good, long spine. One more on each side. Nice job. Grab your bands, put them on above the knees. Step into that band. Oh no, I grabbed a tight one. Woo! Here we go, regular squats, down and up. When we squat with the bands on, make sure your knees are tracking right over the toes. So adjust your stance so that you're pressing against the band. Knees are over the toes. What we don't want is for the knees to cave in. Knees press against the band and take it right over your toes. Woo, this band is tight. 2 more. Hold it down. Alternate tap backs. Back, center. They're slow. Press against that band. Pull that core in. Lengthen from the top of your head to the tailbone. Make sure that your low back is not overarching or tucking under. Nice neutral. Tap it back. Tap. Keep going. One more on each side. Nice job. Woo! I hope those glutes are warmed up. Take that band off and let's jump into our first section. All right, move 1 in circuit 1. You will need 1 heavy weight for this. We're gonna come into a wide stance squat. So legs are wide outside the hips. You're gonna reach down for that weight, keeping the chest lifted. Overhead press, switch sides. Grab that weight, overhead press. I want the chest to stay lifted. You're grabbing for that weight because your booty is dropping low to the ground, not because you're hinging forward. You ready? Open those legs nice and wide. Let's go. Reach and press. Alternating sides. Keep the chest lifted. Drop that booty. I want you driving through your heels as you stand. An option here would just be to lift, lower it down. Grab that weight, lower it down. You can forgo that overhead press if you need to. Listen to your body. Do what works best for you. Give me one more on each side. Nice job. We're gonna use 2 weights now, coming into a bicep curl. Palms face up. As you curl, flip the palms slowly lower. So you're finding work in both directions of that curl. Here we go. Palms face up. Rotate, slowly lower. Palms up, flip them down, slowly lower. Good. I want you to pull that core in nice and tight. Slow to lift, slow to lower. Just like that. We're going slow and controlled on these. Take any momentum out of it. 3 more. You got it. Last one, and then we're setting 1 weight down. Good, 1 weight goes down. Hold this weight at your chest. Sink nice and low. You're gonna rotate from the core. Pull it center. Reach for the ankle. Center. Rotate to the right. Reach for the left ankle. Rotate right. Reach for the left ankle. Good. 2 more. So you're feeling that rotation happen from the core. Other side, rotate left, reach down, rotate left, and reach. Rotate, reach. So we're rotating in opposite directions at the top, opposite at the bottom. Last one. Nice job. Weights are down, out of the way. We're going into our first cardio burst. This is only 30 seconds. The goal of the cardio burst is to get your heart rate up. So make the movements as big as you can. Maybe 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. So the inside knee is what lifts. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. You with me? All right, 30 seconds only. We're moving quick. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Quick steps to the side. Drive that knee up quickly. We're moving fast. Lift, lift, halfway there. Make the movements as big as you can. Speed up a little faster. We got 5 seconds. 2, and time. Nice job. Moving on to round 2. I'm going to take lighter weights. We're going to go to a reverse lunge. So one leg is going to step back behind. As you step back, arms are going to swing up. Pull your leg to balance. Option would be reverse lunge, tap it in. Reverse lunge, tap it in. Adding that balance at the top makes it a little bit harder. You ready? Grab 2 sets. All right, let's go. Step into that reverse lunge. Drive the knee up. Reverse lunge. Drive the knee up. Keep going. Staying on the same side. Two more. Nice. Switching sides. Same thing. Back leg drops. Pull it in. Pull it in. Let's move. Stay connected to your breath. Drop that back knee as low as you can get it. Last one. Good. I'm going to keep these weights. We're going to do a hinged reverse fly. So from the hips, hinge forward. Elbows keep a bend. You're going to lift and lower. Lift, slowly lower. Good. Nice long spine. Pull that core in super tight. Give me 4 more. Nice and slow, no momentum. Last 2. Nice job. You have the option to keep 2 weights or drop down to a single weight. We're going to take the weight around the head so our core is stabilizing us. No rocking as you take it around. At the bottom of the movement, you're going to come into rotation and then reverse it. Up and around, rotate at the bottom. Stabilize, rotate. So I want you focusing on core as you're doing this. Light bend in those knees. Let's go. Around the head, rotate. So feel it in the obliques on that bottom half of the rotation. Nice and slow. Stabilize, rotate. So you can be holding both weights here or a single weight, up to you. Both weights is going to give you a little bit more shoulder work in here. Nice, all the way up and around the head. Pull it past the hip. 1 more in each direction. Last time. Nice job. We're already on to cardio burst number 2. Set the weights down and out of the way. You got a couple options here. Squat down low, take it to the toes. Step it forward, squat down low, take it to the toes. Step back. Yeah? Squat to toes, step forward, squat to toes, step it back. That's option number 1, super low impact. You're still getting that height difference, low to high, and you're going to be moving quickly to elevate that heart rate. Option number 2, you're hopping. You're low, jump squat, hop it forward. Jump squat, hop it back. Landing softly, protecting the joints. Are you ready? 30 seconds. 3, 2, go. Choose what works best for you. Landing softly. Hop it forward, hop it back. Remember your options. Keep moving. Five seconds left. And time. Good work. Catch your breath. Grab some water. We're on to round 3. We're going to come to a narrow squat. Squeeze the legs together. Drop it down. You're going to pulse for 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. All right. Let's go. Heavy weights. Keep the weight in the heels. Squeeze those legs together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the glutes as you rise. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. I want you shifting the weight back to the heels. Nice. Keep the chest lifted. You're hinging at the hips. Good. 4 pulses at the bottom. Keeping that core pulled in nice and tight. Give me 3 more. Last one. Nice job. Woo! Set those weights down. I'm going back for my medium weights. Our arms are gonna hold at a 90 degree. Elbows pull past the rib cage. Swoop the elbows all the way up. Connect your weights. A half range of motion, overhead tricep dip. Pull the arms back down. Lift, lower, pull back in. Yeah? Elbows are pulled back. Lift, lower, back in. We got to keep that core pulled in. Nice long neutral spine to protect the lower back. When you're ready, grab those weights. Here we go. Pull the elbows back. Lift them overhead. Half range. Pull them back down. Lift. Bottom half. Pull it back in. You've got this. Lift. Drop. Pull it back past the rib cage. Good. Try to keep those elbows pulled in towards the body. Use that exhale to help you. We're stabilizing through the core, keeping the spine long. We have 3 more. Last one. Nice job. Keeping one weight. You're gonna hold this weight out to the side. You're gonna lift your knee up to the elbow. So your body's kind of hanging out at a diagonal here. Lift, tap, lift, tap. Working these obliques. 4 more. Last 2. Nice. Straight into the other side. Give me 8. Pull that knee up. If you need to hold onto a wall for some balance. Last 2. Good. Set that weight down onto our last cardio burst. We got some burpees. 30 seconds of burpees. You've got options. Option, forgo the burpee. Stick with air squats. Moving quick. Yeah? This is option 1. Option 2, we take it down to the floor. You're gonna squat, hands down, out, out, in, lift it up. Squat, out, out, in. Final option is gonna be, well, I call them burpees. They're technically half burpees. Chest stays lifted, we don't drop down to the ground. So legs pop back behind you, back to the side, rise all the way up. Only 30 seconds. You can do it. You ready? All right. We're going to start here in 5, 2, go. Remember your options. You can squat here. You can break down that burpee step by step. Do what works for you. Just keep moving that body. If you're in those air squats, I want you going quickly. 5 seconds. And time. Nice job. Recover. We're going to repeat all 3 of those circuits one more time, then you are done. All right, from the top, we're going to squat, overhead press. Option, just pick up that weight, set it back down. Do what you gotta do to make this work for you. Let's go. Over halfway done with this workout. Don't stop now. Use that exhale to help you. Press. Keep the chest lifted. Drop the booty down. Remember, you can keep it here. Squeeze those glutes. Squeeze. Keep the chest up, booty down. One more on each side. And then we go into those bicep curls. Grab both your weights. Palms face up. Flip the palms, slowly lower. Yes. Lift, lower, nice and slow. I want you pulling that core in on all sides. Your spine is long. Lift through the top of your head. Good. Control it. Feel the contraction. 2 more. Final one. We go to our single weight. Drop down low in your squat. You're going to rotate to the left, cross at the bottom to the right. Rotate, cross. Rotate, cross. Remember, rotation always initiates from the deep core, not from the shoulders. Core does all the work. Shoulders follow where the core takes it. Super important to use mind-muscle connection here and do twists properly. Switching sides. Rotate. Yes. Feel the core doing the work. If you need to drop the weights to feel the core do what it needs to do, hold on to your waist. Rotate. Rotate. I want you to feel it. Good. You're pulling that belly button into your spine. Feel that rotation. Sometimes it's easier to feel it if you're not holding a weight. Last one. Nice job. We've made it to our cardio burst. We have a 1, 2, 3 hold as we shuffle to the side, drive the knee up. Yeah? Only 30 seconds, piece of cake. We start now. Lift. Moving quickly, driving that knee up, side to side. You've got this. 15 seconds. Move fast. Pick up that pace. 5 seconds left. And time. Nice job. Next section, I'm using my lighter weights. We've got that reverse lunge to a balance. Reverse lunge, balance. Option, tap that toe to the ground instead of lifting the knee. You ready? Grab those weights. Here we go, reverse lunge. Nice and slow. Good, keep the weight in the front heel. 4 more. Last one. Nice job. Shake it out. Switching sides for 8. Remember your options. Give me 4 more. Dropping that knee down behind you. Last 2. Good. We have the reverse flies. Hinging at the hips. Opening. Slowly to lower. Hinge. Good. Nice and slow. Elbows stay bent. Pull that core in nice and tight. Remember, keep going. Tailbones not tucking under, not overarching. Neutral spine. You got 2 more. Nice work. All right, we got those around the world with bottom half rotation. I told you could do 2 weights. With 2 weights, you're holding it here. It's much harder to stabilize the core on the around the world, and it adds that little extra shoulder burn if that's what you're looking for. Your choice. 2 weights or 1. Let's go. Around, rotate. Up and around, rotate at the bottom. You're pulling that weight past your hip. Up and around, past the hip. Good. Stabilize through the core. Stay with me. One more in each direction. Nice job. Cardio burst. We got squat to the toes, step it forward, squat to the toes. So we're moving front and back, up and down. You have the option to hop it every single time. I want to see big jumps. You ready? Go. Lift. Lift. Landing softly. Hop forward. Hop back. Super soft. We don't want to compress those joints. We love our body. Let's treat it that way. Soft. Good. 5 seconds. And time. Nice job. We have one more circuit. You ready? What do we got? Oh, we got the narrow squats. 4 pulses. Take it up to the top. Yeah? Let's go. You're almost there. We're in the final stretch here. Feet are narrow. Drop down. 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way up. Good. I want you to imagine reaching your knuckles towards the floor and at the same time reaching the top of your head up to the ceiling. You're hinging out the hips, dropping that booty as low as you can get it. Drive through those heels. Send your weight back into the heels. 2 more. Last one. Nice job. We're going to keep those arms bent. We take it up. Tricep in the bottom half. Pull it back. Up. Back. You ready? You feeling good? Here we go. Take it up. Lower. Pull it back. Lift. Good. Pull those elbows in. Elbows close to the body. Nice. Come on. You've got this. Core is pulled in nice and tight. Watch the low back. Make sure you're not overarching or over tucking. 3 more. Last one. Nice job. Single weight. We bring the knee to the elbow here. 8. So we're trying to keep the body as still as we can. 4 more. I've abandoned my standing leg so it doesn't lock out. Last one. Switching sides. Bend in your standing leg. Elbow is still. Lift. Lower. Good. 3 more. Final one. Set the weight down. We finish with our burpees. You got options. Stay in your air squats here. Break down that burpee. Out, out, and in. Or 30 seconds of our burpees. You choose. Do what works for your body. I want you to challenge yourself. This is our last 30 seconds. You ready? 4, 3, 2, go. Nice. Take it where you need to. Landing softly. 10 seconds. Good job. Give me one more. All the way up. Nicely done. Thank you for joining me. If you want a full 60-minute workout, repeat this bad boy one more time. I'll see you next time.